There are about 37 of these toll booths scattered along major highways across the country. These toll booths you see behind me until last year were said to be raking in an average of 78 million cedis per annum into the national kitty. But that has changed now. They have been closed. As to whether they will ever be reopened by government, we don't know. What we do know is that government is planning to convert these toll booths across the country into public toilets. The objective, according to the roads minister, Amwakwata, is to create access to decent places of convenience to motorists. So we are here to find out from motorists what they make of this announcement by the minister.
For me, I really don't support that. How are we going to maintain it? Number two, in the middle of a road like this, on a highway like this, how are people going to be entering and coming up? The thing is now even in a glass form. What are we going to do to it? So I'm not in support, because this is good. One, we will have to renovate it to put it in that form. Again, how are we going to maintain it? Are we going to generate funds out of it? How are we going to control that as well? And the risks involved, because this is in the middle of the road, I don't support it. If we don't have any other use, like, the purpose it was serving, because maybe a different government will come and we want to go back to it. So for that purpose, we can keep it for another change of government and we will see. But if not, it should be removed.
It's not right. That's nonsense. We are not going to support this. It's not right in anywhere. It doesn't die anywhere. So tell them that we are not going to allow them to do that. They should bring back the toll booths. They should. We don't want the e-levy. They should bring back the toll booth. That's what we want.
I hear you, Master. The work I came is one of the two across on we crowd all across so better than one for so. Didn't bring you. I won't pack one for from the bed and I need you.
And I don't think it's a good idea to turn this place to a public toilet.
Why?
Because they've invested much here, so at least they can do it with a better thing. Either they should take it off, but public toilet is not good.
After this, I say you go take the towing back. If the towing back, it will be good. You go save the money, do the road.